Today we're going to take a closer look at the state-of-the-art HD solar battery-powered camera system. The beauty of this system is there's no wires needed at all. Basically, these are completely wireless. You have your Wi-Fi antennas here on each camera. It comes with a total of 4. And these cameras are state-of-the-art and have all the features that you've come to expect from a security system, like two-way audio, night vision, day vision, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, they're waterproof, and they have PIR motion detection, which means they also have pan and tilt. So in other words, when there's movement, it will pan and it will tilt to track that movement on its own if you are not there to control it. It will track that movement and record that event. Absolutely incredible technology that in the past would really only be for large corporations and businesses, but you now can enjoy it for your small business or home or rental or Airbnb. Here we're going to be installing it at our home, which is a rather large estate. So we're going to have these 4 cameras outside mounted anywhere with no wiring, and we're going to have all of those amazing features at our fingertips with the app. So this is your camera right here, easy to mount. Just a couple screws on a house, a tree, a post, anywhere on your property. And like I said, it has these 2 large antennas for the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi that's going to communicate with this hard drive. There's a 1 terabyte hard drive in that box. That's what's going to be in your home. And the only thing that is plugged into your power. The rest of this is going to be powered via solar panels. And it comes with a solar panel for each camera and a very long cable with USB-C, so you can actually put this on a rooftop or facing the sun, or you can put it directly next to the camera as well. But if it's not able, you do have some distance if you want to make this higher or put it on the roof and then run the wire down. You have quite a bit of wire, so I like that they give you a long length. But this is the solar panel right here that is going to power the battery inside this camera and transmit the signal to this Wi-Fi box right here, which will be in your home, that you can connect to a monitor. It does come with a mouse. You will have to supply your own monitor, but it does come with HDMI cable, power adapter, and the mouse. So all you need to do is supply that monitor. And the connections on the back of this are your DC power, USB, your HDMI for your monitor. If you want to connect it to Ethernet, you can do that. And then also a micro SD card for recording. So that is what is on that box. And this entire system can be put all over your property, and it will transmit through Wi-Fi wirelessly with solar power. So just an amazing setup here. You can download the app and track it at all times. And just the power to be able to pull up a camera and pan and tilt completely around is just incredible power. These are all motorized. They go all the way down as well, straight down and 90 degrees up. So that's one of the coolest things about this, is that ability to pan and move around. And you can even reposition these as you do that and leave it in that new setting. So you can reposition these cameras anytime you want. So this is a great system, completely wireless, easy to install. I'm going to get this put in, and then we'll take a look at the monitor once I get it set up.